Hi, my name's Pete Christofferson and I work for Chicago Faucets. Today I'm going to go through the installation of the 1920 series hand shower with integrated hose drain. This hose drain is designed to remove stagnant water where pathogens can grow from the hand shower and hose. You'll follow standard procedures to rough in the shower valve. Start by running a short supply pipe up from the valve and attaching a 45-degree elbow. Then run an extension pipe to your desired location for the supply elbow. Be sure to maintain your 45-degree angle. Complete the extension with a 1/2-inch fitting with 14 NPT thread. Outside the finished wall, attach the exposed elbow using thread seal tape. Now install the atmospheric vent. The first hose segment has identical connectors. Attach it to the supply elbow using the included gasket. Slide the rubber bumper over the other end of the hose. Be sure the direction of flow arrow is pointing in the right direction. Install the included gasket and then install the hose drain assembly. This also has a direction of flow arrow. Make sure that's pointing in the right direction. Now it's time to install the second hose segment. Use the included gasket and attach it to the hose drain assembly. Wrench tighten the connections. Slide the rubber bumper over the hose drain assembly, making sure it sits in the groove. Now install the hand spray with the included gasket. The hand spray holder should be placed at about the same level as the supply elbow. You'll know it's positioned correctly when the drain assembly is centered and level at the lowest point of the hose. This allows the water to drain properly. And that's it. Your 1920 series hand shower with integrated hose drain is ready to use. For more information on our shower systems, please visit chicagofaucets.com.